If you want to connect your POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max with a car, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna scroll down just a little bit in order to go to More Connectivity Options. Then at the bottom, we should be able to find Android Auto in here, so let's select that option. And now we can just tap on Connect a Vehicle in here in order to find our first instruction. So we can just use a USB cable and connect our phone to our car via USB cord. If your car supports wireless Android Auto connection, then of course we can choose connect using wireless Android Auto in here. And then of course we need to also enable Bluetooth, and we should be able to set up the Android Auto wirelessly. Now we have an instruction in here, or you can just go connect using Bluetooth and then pair a vehicle, and then you can try to find your car on this list of available devices, or you can search for POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max depending on the device name in here in your car. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.